Rita e pinyno mosebedo kanigi nok mag arita. Jang'ad buche Chacha Mwita wacho ni keni duol mar arita mapachoka onge kod teko mar oro obila mapachoka e pinje maoko. Kamito mar ni duol no ero nyalo mana oro jolweny ne tije kaka chwalo kwe mar chwalo obila to gitimo e tok chik kendo ok owinjore kata matin. Piny owacho kata kamano e andika margi wacho ni gidhi mako apil ne ng'eto ma kamano kata bed ni gimiyo luor ng'eto mar doho.
It's quite unheard of that somebody will just want to wake up one day and say that he's sending troops to 1,000 miles away in Haiti. So the court has said that it's unconstitutional. And the court indeed found that as at the time that we were in court, a decision had been made by the National Security Council. So there's no premature aspect of the petition. But number two, which is extremely important, is that the National Police Service, the wording of the force as employed in the Constitution, does not connote National Police Service to the extent that the force only means our Kenya Defense Forces, which is the Kenya Army, the Kenya Navy, and the Kenya Air Force. So in that regard, the National Police Service cannot be deployed outside this country.
What wisdom could possibly have driven President William Ruto to make that roadside declaration that Kenya Police, who are very inadequate in our own country, could be deployed to another country, to a gangster, to a gangland, basically. So I think I'm very happy that the judge has outlawed that declaration. He has also clearly stated that, processes must be followed.
Doma malo.